comes to Indian festivals, one can never go wrong in predicting that people want to have as pompous a celebration as anyone has ever seen or heard. The second half of the year marks the onset of the most awaited festival season in the country, with Navratri and Dussehra being the popular ones. But did you know that every region in the country celebrates it differently? What is Navratri and why is it celebrated? Navratri is a 9-day festival celebrated in honor of various gods and goddesses in different parts of India. In northern India, devotees celebrate Lord Ram's triumph over Ravan, who kidnapped Ram's wife Sita. In eastern India, it is known as Durga Puja, where devotees pay respect to Goddess Durga and her 9 avatars and celebrate Durga's triumph over the demon Mahishasur. Isn't it interesting to know all this? Now, let us know how is Navratri celebrated across India. In East India, the festival is celebrated by decorating idols of Durga, setting up pandals and organizing activities. The 9-day festival ends with the idols being immersed in the sea. In North India, Navratri is celebrated twice in a year. In October, devotees celebrate Lord Ram's triumph by telling his story through a play called Ram Leela and chanting prayers to celebrate his victory. In West India, especially in Gujarat, the festival is celebrated by participating in Dandiya and Garba, popular folk dance forms of the region. Dandiya is called sword dance, which represents the battle between Durga and the demon. While in South India, the festival is celebrated in honor of Goddess Durga and Saraswati. In some states, devotees have a unique exhibition of decorated dolls in their homes. What is Dussehra and why is it celebrated? Dussehra, also called Vijayadashmi, marks the 10th day of Navratri and is typically celebrated in the north to commemorate Lord Ram's victory over Ravan, where Ram slew Ravan and rescued his wife Sita. How is Dussehra celebrated across India? In East India, Dussehra marks the culmination of Durga Puja, celebrated in the east. It is the 10th day of the festival, where the idol of Durga is immersed in water. In North India, various groups perform the Ram Leela, outdoor fairs, and halls and the effigies of the demon Ravan are burnt to celebrate Ram's victory. In West India, Dussehra marks the last day of the festival, where devotees celebrate through music and folk dances such as Garba and Dandiya, just like the past 9 days. In South India, similar to Navratri, devotees worship Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, by paying respect to their instruments and tools of livelihood. Durga is worshipped by lighting up temples and major forts. While the festivals are celebrated in different ways across India, they universally honor knowledge and the triumph of good over evil.